welcome everyone for this happy occasion. And I hope enjoy the food and everything, and we welcome everyone and to come here. Okay?
Thank you everybody for joining us on this joyous occasion. We welcome you and we want you to have a lot of fun.
To Renu and Sagar, I wish you every blessing, every joy, and every happiness. Looking at you both, I see a relationship full of joy and love. Sagar, be ready for a life full of laughter, endless love, and most importantly, amazingly extravagant homemade brunches with freshly squeezed orange juice every day.
My mom always told me if you can have a true friend, that's worth, a lifetime of blessings, and there's nothing greater than that. I think I made my mom really proud because I actually found a brother during residency. He is my brother. He's a little brother to me, and he's tall, dark, and handsome. He can dance, and I'm short, pale, and I like to think I can dance, but I just can't dance. Sagar always asks me for advice. What do you think? I want you to meet Renu. And I'm like, okay, yeah. Where is she? She's in Alabama. I'm like, I'm not gonna go to Alabama. Just bring her over here. And she finally came to Texas, and I think we were watching the Super Bowl at Nate's place, and they came a little late, and the reason why they came late was she was cooking food for us, and she made jalapeno poppers, and I instantly liked her. I was like, oh my gosh, she's amazing.
Renu, I thank God every day that He chose you to be my sister. Out of every blessing that I could have received in life, that is the one that I'm the most grateful for. Congratulations, Renu and Sagar. Have the best and most wonderful life together.
I was quite emotional this morning, seeing both of you guys. Watching Sagar and Renu both getting married this morning at the Trillium, and it had me thinking, every man's purpose in his life, the one person that he can spend the rest of his life with, the one person that gives him those butterflies in his stomach.
नेत्राणां त्रितयं महत् पशुपते अग्नेस्तु पादत्रयं तद्विष्णु पदत्रयं त्रिभुवने ख्यातं च रामत्रयम्.
We wish Renu and Sagar a wonderful, happy married life full of joy and all the pleasures that life can bring.